Does text on your thumbnail or no text on your thumbnail generate more clicks for your videos on your channel? Generally speaking, having text in your thumbnail is better. It generates more clicks. But what if you could do an analysis that aggregated your most recent videos and literally by the numbers on your channel told you whether your videos get more views when they have text in the thumbnail or not? This tool exists right now. It's freaking amazing. TubeBuddy's Click Magnet tool. Check it out. So if you want to access this tool, you go to the TubeBuddy tab up here in the top right-hand corner. And really quick, if you don't already have TubeBuddy installed on Chrome, it is a free tool to use with some paid features. Link in the description below to my affiliate link, tubebuddy.com/awallverses, AWALLVS. I get credit if you download and if you pay for it as well. So what you're going to do is go to the tool up here in the top right-hand corner. Click the TubeBuddy icon, drop it down, and go down to Click Magnet, and click Launch Click Magnet now. When you click that, it's going to bring up this menu where it's going to ask you whether it can pull data to help you understand whether you should put text in your thumbnails or not. You should do that because the insights here are really, really cool. For the first time, it pulls together this really complex information in a simple and easy to understand way. I really like it. Where you're going here is the Element Inspector. Click that. It's going to bring up a bunch of different options of stuff to look at. What we're focusing on for this video is the text versus no text area right here. That is literally analyzing all of your thumbnails, as you can see from your recent videos, to show you whether the aggregate click-through rates are higher on one versus the other. Now, in my case, I only have one recent video that did not have text. So I only have one sample here. So my sample size is low, as it is warning me of here. So if you don't have thumbnails without text, it can't actually do an A versus B comparison for you. But as you can see, it's telling me that this thumbnail that had no text actually significantly performed better than all of my thumbnails that had text, which goes against the conventional thinking. And so that's why it's important to run this tool on your channel to understand. And perhaps the results are relatively similar on your channel with text and no text. Then what I recommend doing is running some A/B tests where you can test thumbnails that have no text, like this piece of meat right here in this example thumbnail, versus one that's got a picture of meat with some text on it, and put them side by side and start to change it up a little bit with your thumbnail strategy so you're not running the same type of thumbnail over and over again. Don't assume because the crowd says that text is better that it is actually better for your channel. As you can see from this data, your data could blow you away. You could have 10 videos with no text that perform a couple percentage points, maybe more higher with no text, and you didn't even know it. The solution to you getting more clicks could be right under your nose using the Click Magnet tool. Link in the description below to my affiliate link. Click it, install, check out Click Magnet. It's freaking great. Enjoy the tool. Have fun with it. Let me know what you think.